Hello friends, myself Sahana Girish. I work as a lecturer in mechanical department. Today I teach you regarding production drawing. This is the lecture number first. Now in this part, that is in production drawing, it involves the limit fits and tolerances. The manufacture of interchangeable parts require precision. Precision is the degree of accuracy to ensure the functioning of a part as intended. However, experience shows that it is impossible to make parts economically to the exact dimensions. This may be due to inaccuracies of machines and tools. Second one, inaccuracies in setting the work to the tool. And third one is that error in measurement, etc. Yes, a production drawing or a production or a working drawing should contain complete information of engineering component. The information is nothing but attributed of production drawing and process sheet of various components. The information is in the form of limits, fits, tolerances, geometrical tolerances, symbols used in building. Second one, the workman therefore has to given some allowable margin so that he can produce a part the dimensions of which will be between two acceptable limits, a maximum and a minimum. The system in which a variation is accepted is called a delimit system and the allowable deviations are called a tolerances. Once again I repeat that the system in which a variation is accepted is called a delimit system and the allowable deviations are called a tolerances. The relationships between the mating parts are called a fits. Following are some of the terms used in the limit system. First is that the permissible variation of a size is called a tolerance. The permissible variation of a size is called a tolerance. It is difference between the maximum and minimum permissible limits of the given size. If the variation is provided on one side of the basic size, it is termed as unilateral tolerance. Similarly, if the variation is provided on both sides of the basic size, it is called a bilateral tolerance. Yes, means if there is one side on the basic size, it is unilateral tolerance. If the variation is provided on both sides of the basic size, then it is termed as the bilateral tolerance. Extreme permissible sizes between which the actual size is contained are called limits. The maximum size is called the upper limit and the minimum size is called lower limit. Deviation, it is the algebraic difference between a size, actual or maximum, etc. and the corresponding basic size. Now, what are the actual deviations and the upper deviations? Yes, I repeat that the actual deviation, yes, it is the algebraic difference between the actual size and the corresponding basic size. Upper deviation, yes, it is the algebraic difference between the maximum limit of the size and the corresponding basic size. Yes, the information it is helpful for supervision purpose. Before producing the component, he should interpret various symbols shown on the drawing and the selection of manufacturing process accordingly. In industry, the actual deviation and the upper deviation has much more importance. Now the lower deviation and the allowance. What are the lower deviations and what are the allowances? We will see. Yes, it is the algebraic difference between the minimum limit of the size and the corresponding basic size. Allowance, it is the dimensional difference between the maximum material limits of the mating parts intentionally provided to obtain the desired class of feed. If the allowance is positive, it will result in minimum clearance between the matting parts, and if the allowance is negative, it will result in maximum interference. This is the allowance. The allowance has many definitions. This is one of them. Now the lower deviation and the allowances. Now the lower deviations and the allowances has the much more importance. Yes, this is the diagrammatic basic size deviations and tolerances are in this diagram shown. The maximum diameter, the minimum diameter, what are the tolerances, what are the lower deviations, what are the upper deviations, the hole, the shaft, minimum diameter, tolerances, the lower deviations, upper deviation, zero line or a line of zero deviations. This is this diagram showing basic size deviations and the tolerances. Yes, in production drawing, it carry much more importance, and also it involves much more the differences. Okay. Also in this diagram, the tolerance, it shows that tolerance is the total amount of dimensions. It can be defined as the total permissible variation of size, or the tolerance is the difference between the maximum limit and the minimum limit. We can say that tolerance is equal to the algebraic difference between upper deviation and lower deviation and has absolute value without sign. Again, I repeat that tolerance is the total amount of dimensions. It can be defined as the total permissible variation of the size. Thank you.